In this video you will see how to create a bar chart in Google Data Studio. So let's get started. Here in front of us we've got a table that we are imported from Google Sheets. So from this data we will need to create few bar charts. There are two options. We can click on this insert button and then choose column chart, or we can go to this option, add a chart, and then from this menu select this bar chart. So I'm gonna place it here. So in this dimension option there is actually name. So instead of that we will put theme column. To insert that we just need to drag that column inside this area and place it here. So now let's resize this. And now in this metric section, instead of record count, we will put age. Let's remove this. And as you can see, there is a little sum here. That basically means that we are summing all years for each team. So actually it doesn't make sense. So instead of sum, here we are gonna choose other option. We can choose average, count, count distinct, min, max, and so on. So we will choose average to check what is the average for each team. So let's close this. So as you can see, it's not a big difference between those teams. So now let's, instead of team, put position just to check what is the average for each position. Also, instead of age, we can use this weight column. And then instead of sum, we are going to be using average. And then I'm going to close this. And now we can see average weight for each position. Here also you can sort data. First you can choose column that you would like to sort. Then you can choose descending or ascending. Also you can add filter. And these other options will be covered in next videos. So this was everything for today. Thanks for watching.